In this video, we will learn how to set read-only Microsoft Word document. So let's start. Open your Word document and go to the File tab, and here click on the Info, and here the first option, Protect Document. Just click on this drop down arrow, and here the first option, Always Open the Read Only. So this file you can open with the read only always. So just click on it. To read only, to prevent accidental changes, so you can't change on this file. Suppose anyone open this file as a read only, so they can't edit this file, and if edited they can't save this file. So this is a way only read that document when you open the read only status. So I set here read only, and I just go back, and here I just enter something. So I enter here, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and I click on the save, and here I going to close this document, and here I open this again document. Now when this open the document, the one message pop up. So open as a read only. So if you yes, just click on yes. So here you can see the read only showing on this document, read only. Okay, so just I edit here, I remove this my channel, and I'm going to save this. Okay, so here again the different file showing the save. So this document is different and this will be different. Suppose I enter here 171 and click on the save. So 171 is a different file and 17 is a showing different file. You can see when you change on this file, please subscribe my channel, I remove, and here in 17 showing the full sentence, please subscribe my channel in read only. So if you edit something and if you're going to save this, it's automatically saved with the another file, not on that file. So this is helpful when you someone edit this file, it can't edit, and if he edit it, they save with the in different file, different document. Okay, not in the same document any changes. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.